Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to install this app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, tap on while using and allow in all pop-ups. Then close Launcher app and go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Apps section. Tap on Default Apps, select Home App, and apply iOS Launcher by clicking on it. Lastly, hit OK and got it. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my OPPO. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!